Welcome to Peterson Farms of Nashville, and today we're going to replace the batteries on my Ram 2500 Laramie Longhorn. Let me show you why. So recently, over the past year, if I allow the truck to set longer than 2 or 3 days without running it, I have to jump it. The batteries get drained. So I don't know if there's a reason for the drainage, but there are 2 batteries, one on each side of the vehicle, and they look like to be the original battery. So when I looked at it earlier, the dates go back to 2017. So if you get that much out of those batteries, that's pretty good. So let's go get some new ones. All right, I thought I'd just do one more thing before we headed to Sam's Club. So I pulled the battery out. I could see the label on top. It says 2013. I don't know if that's the manufacturing date, even though my truck is a 2018, or if it's some sort of other marking. But I don't see anything anywhere else on the battery indicating a date code. So it looks old, and I'm going off of that for the moment. All right, here's the batteries. Let's see what we got. Alright, those are the expensive ones, with rated at 800 cca, cold cranking amps. I'm choosing the $80 less ones, rated at 790 cold cranking amps. So we will go with that. 109 versus 189. Not because I'm cheap, because the truck is older and I plan on possibly trading it in. This is where I get in trouble. Electronics. $85 inches. I better walk away. Nah. Yeah, it came out. I guess it looks alright. It's not damaged too bad. So I'll get that out. Hold on to that. Let's get these off. Take the negative off first. Take the positive off second. Get that out of the way. Pull the old battery out. Take it back to the store for a core charge. Oh, I like the one handle better. It's a little awkward to maneuver around. Yep, positioned in place. All right. And I didn't see any oxidation or really any mess on the battery terminals themselves, or the battery cables. So I would have gotten some degreaser if needed, or I'll see if there's any grease to put on the terminals. Alright, apply a little lithium grease there on the terminals. We're going to put the positive back on first. Wait a minute. Got to put this sucker on. Can't forget that. What I'm told, this insulator is actually to help protect it from the heat. Because heat, people don't realize, the battery actually have more issues in the heat than they do the cold. Cold's what kills it, is the low charge and cranking amps, I guess. But anyway, put the positive back on first, negative on second, and then we want to make sure we get the little guy here put back on. Get it started. Battery cable's tightened. All right, battery number 1's installed. All right, working on the second battery here. Gotta use a ladder because the truck is so tall, at least for me. Get it positioned right. All right, let's see what we got here. Got a little bit more cabling over here than the other battery. Don't know if that's got complicated anymore. It's way down here. Size 10 millimeter. Yeah. Came right out. And I just use a little trick of magnet. Come in very handy. See? Alright. Alright, so let's get the battery cables unhooked. What? What? Use a different size nut on this side. 10 on the other battery. Alright, we'll go get an 8. Okay, if you're like me, you bring extra. And it is 8 millimeter on this side for some reason, 10 on the other. Get loosened. Don't do that. That makes quite the spark. I should have pulled the negative off first. Alright, get that one off. Let's get that negative out of the way so we don't get any more sparks. Go for the positive here. Just be positive. There we go. Alright, so got those two connected or disconnected. Let's see what else we got hanging on here. Nothing really. Okay, let's pull this cover off. Don't want to drop it. Just want to hold on to that. There we go. Old battery out. New battery in. Here again, I wish I had the one handle instead of the two handles. Oh, the toughest part here is doing this by yourself. Cable management while you're doing this. Oh gosh, I can't get the angle. Got one battery cable out of the way. There we go. Good thing I was wearing gloves. All right, let's see. Get this down the rest of the way. And that's how you replace your two batteries in your 2500 Ram Laramie Longhorn 6.7 diesel. And it's a 2018 Ram. So you can do it too. Replace your batteries in your own vehicle. Don't let my representation of replacing the batteries discourage you. It is much easier than what I showed you. It's just more difficult to film it. But anyway, just wanted to show y'all how we replace the batteries on our Ram 2500 6.7 liter Laramie Longhorn. It's got two batteries, and picked them up at Sam's Club actually. And that was a tip from somebody I watched on YouTube, watching them replace their batteries, and they sourced them at Sam's Club. So I think a total of $129 for this particular model, $20 off, and so I brought it down to $109 a piece versus the $200 and $300, $400 that have the dealer install them. So anyway, hope you got something out of that. Thanks for stopping in at Peterson Farms in Nashville, and God bless y'all. Have a great day. Bet y'all were wondering if it would start. Yep. 2 thumbs up.